Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning, where our goal is to take the mystery out of the drawing process by breaking it into 3 easy-to-follow steps. Today we will be drawing Sans, the popular character from the Undertale video game, as well as appearing in the most recent Nintendo Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. All you're going to need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Easy peasy, right? If you like what you see here today, remember to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the Level Up episodes, and finally, don't forget to like this video. So let's get started. We're going to be drawing Sans step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. In this first step, we'll draw what I call the roadmap, to get Sans' size, proportions, and pose right. Remember, until the third and last step, where we draw the details, you are to draw as light as possible, whisper on paper. If you've watched some of my other videos, then you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the whole character is. Sans, depending on the style he's drawn in, is somewhere between 3 and 5 heads tall. The version I'm drawing is in the middle, 4 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 4 of those. Throughout this lesson, if at any time you need to pause or go back, please do. That's the beauty of this being a video. Watch it as many times as you need to. All right, so let's start with the roadmap for Sans. So there's our roadmap of Sans. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. Understand we are still drawing as light as possible in this step. You will see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put eyes, nose, mouth. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Sans' features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Sans. All right, with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's now time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Sans. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring it out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't hammer that line, mindlessly retracing over the lines you've already drawn. Always look to tweak and improve till the very end. So let's draw Sans details. Okay, so there he is, Sans. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Sans, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfect. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring Sans during the video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Sans. With that, you can draw him again and again. And by all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it will be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. Alright, so I'd love to see your drawing of Sans. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. Thanks again for joining me. I hope you found it useful. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.